Hello everyone, welcome to Money Magic. Let's get started with short stock shots. Let's start with market level. The market traded in the green for the first half, but selling pressure mounted later in the day, from which the Nifty 50 managed to largely recover. However, 37 of its constitute closed in losses. Among the sectoral indices, Nifty Bank and Nifty Financial Service were top winners with Nifty Bank up by 1% and Nifty Financial Service up by 0.9%, while the Nifty Metal down by 1.7% and Nifty FMCG down by 1.5%. Today, FII and DII both have sales. DII net sale was 597 crores and FII net sale was 37 crores. Today, 45% of stock advanced and 49% were declined in the BSE. Now moving on to grey market premium. The Nuroco and Herbanna grey market premium is not available and Railtel grey market premium is trading between 35 to 40. As per our expectation, Nuroco can easily give 30% above listing gain. We have also made a complete analysis video on Nuroco and very soon Railtel analysis will also be available in our channel, so stay tuned with us. Now moving on to our market updates. The quarter 3 results of ITC stand-alone year-on-year was net profit down by 11.6% to Rs 3,662.85 crores. Revenue was 12,580 crores, which was up by 4.7%. The company's secret revenue was up by 3.5% to Rs 5,498.43 crores. ITC hotel business revenue fell to 57.4% to Rs 235.2 crores, and ITC has also declared an interim dividend of Rs 5 per share. The financial year ending on 31st March, the record date for that is 23rd February. Air travel will become more expensive as the aviation minister on Thursday increased the lower and upper limits on domestic airfare by 10 to 30%. The lower limit for the first band, which consists of flights that are of less than 40 minutes, was increased by 2000 to 2200. The upper limit in this band was increased from 6000 to 7800. Mumbai-based JSW Group is planning to enter e-commerce by scaling up its JSW One initiation as tech-based solution platform. Reported that The Economics Times, the conglomerate which was present in sectors like steel, paints, cements, will reportedly be investing around 700 crores for this purpose. The group will also extend JSW1 to influence in the home customization industry. Now moving on to our next update. Sun Pharma, its founder Dilip Shanghai and its brother-in-law and full-time director Sudhir Balai have settled a case of aligned fund diversion with SEBI by paying 1.55 crores as a charge. Bell backed an order from the Indian Navy for supplying two super rapid gun mounted main gun standardization for all warships of Indian Navy. Infosys will invest an additional $1 million in the ITF Forge technology, taking the cumulative investment to $2.5 million as of date, subject to necessary closing conditions. The Indigo company has announced a launching of 22 new domestic flight routes. TCS is strengthening its partnership with Snowflake with launching a curated version of TCS Desmo suite for solutions that enable businesses to accelerate their data landscapes, modernizations, and migration to Snowfall data clouds. Vedanta will issue up to 5,000 security NCD for 500 crores on a private placement basis. Now moving to our last update. Tube Investment Company has approved the manufacturing and selling of three-wheeled electric vehicles for 200 crores. Thank you for this video. Stay tuned with us.